Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today, beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Present to you this Winnebago 31B Sunstar. It's a 2021 model. It's got a lot of features. Come on in, let's take a look at it. Well, coming into this coach, you can see that the colors in here are just absolutely gorgeous. You got the browns of the woodwork, and you've got the nice flooring that is easily cleaned up, and beautiful furniture. This has a lot of storage in it. It's got a nice stainless steel refrigerator across from a stainless steel sink, which is a dual sink. You also have the 3-burner stove and the microwave up above. You have an overhead bed that is really nice in this coach for extra company. And again, this is a Sunstar, and this is a 2021 model, so it's on the Ford chassis. You go into the back, you're going to have the bathroom in the middle, and one of the features in this coach is a 2 beds back there for kids. So it is a bunk model right back there by the bedroom. Now you have an exit window going out the back for safety, and you got a TV in the back, and one outside actually, and one in the living area up here. And I like it because you have the dinette across from the couch, and then there's the TV. But this coach has it all. Outside you're going to have a kitchen. On the outside you're going to have a TV. You've got everything you would need when you bring that awning out to have just a nice wild party. As you can see, this thing is loaded. If this coach or any of the coaches we have on our campus are of interest to you, please give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson. My number 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.